station and space to ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Sandra Jones. This week, space station crew members completed a spacewalk and prepared for one more. Closer to home, we're one step closer to launching astronauts from Florida once again. On Sunday, SpaceX completed a successful test demonstrating the capability of the Crew Dragon vehicle to carry astronauts to safety in the unlikely event of an emergency during ascent. Following the test, the spacecraft splashed down off the coast of Cape Canaveral, and teams conducted recovery operation simulations in preparation for a crewed flight test later this year. On Monday, NASA astronauts Christina Koch and Jessica Meir conducted a spacewalk to replace nickel-hydrogen batteries with more powerful lithium-ion batteries. This spacewalk rounds out the series of 4 to replace aging batteries on 2 of the power channels on the station's far port truss. The spacewalk lasted nearly 7 hours and was the 3rd spacewalk for Meir and the 6th for Koch, who continues to make history with each passing day as the record holder for longest spaceflight by a woman. When she returns to Earth on February 6th, she will have spent a total of 328 days aboard the orbiting laboratory. On board station, astronauts were busy conducting the Cold Atom Laboratory experiment. This investigation produces clouds of atoms that are chilled to about 1/10,000,000th of a degree above absolute zero, even colder than the average temperature of deep space. At these temperatures, atoms have almost no motion, allowing scientists to study fundamental behaviors and quantum characteristics for longer periods of time. This week's question comes from Christine, who wants to know if a spacewalk to finish work on the Alpha Magnetic Spectrometer has been scheduled. It sure has, Christine. On Saturday, NASA astronaut Andrew Morgan and European Space Agency astronaut Luca Parmitano are slated to complete the final spacewalk to repair the Alpha Magnetic Spectrometer, ensuring the instrument can continue to hunt for particles like antimatter and dark matter and give us better insight into the origins of the universe for years to come. Keep sending in your questions using the hashtag AskNASA. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.